We're having a great day here at Woolly Bees. As you can see, we've got a swarm moving into an empty box. Of course, for all you folks that are scared of bees and wear that suit of armor, you can't get no more gentler bees than when there's a swarm. I'm going to have to go through that little clump of bees on the ground, make sure there's not a queen in that too. But look at the way they're sitting there fanning at the doorway, saying, "Come on in, Mama's inside." So I'd say we probably got 2 queens. I'll let them settle down and go in and see what we've got here in a little bit. They originally clustered up here, and then they decided they wanted to move into the empty box. Don't have a clue where they came from. But hey, any day you get a swarm is a good day. Turn my seat over and see if I can't get down here and see if I can't find us another queen. Notice the gloves, guys. I'm really scared of these bees. May not have another queen down there. May just have a bunch that fell off when they hit the landing board. Alright, let's see. Let's look through that little clump. No, they're taken to the air, so I'd say there's not a queen down there. But that's one thing you've always got to notice when you walk through your bee yards. Find a clump of bees like that on the ground, 99% of the time there's a queen in it. I'll bet that's what happened. They just fell to the ground when they all couldn't get in the front because there was about 4 pounds of bees hanging on that limb. Alright guys, you have a great day, because I'm going to finish what I was doing and come back and check on these girls in a little while. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and like the video. Let me know what you think. If you want some videos that you want to see done, let me know.